Hey, Jeremy here from Long Speed Marine. Well, we made it to the Tin Palace, so that means it's only a short drive from here to get to the show. So let's get into this. Well, the car made it for the hour or so drive back roads here to the Tin Palace, as we call it. And the only thing is it needs, could use an alignment. It's a little bit darty on the road, not too bad, but the exhaust is hitting the bumper. So that's kind of annoying, especially for these bumpy roads. But actually, I think it's just this side. Maybe, yeah. So anyways, that could need to be done, and it's running a little bit rich. So probably need a new carburetor because this carburetor was old and really corroded and whatnot. I sort of saved it from the dead, if you will, but could use a new carburetor. But other than that, stayed cool, ran good. Could also use a gear and a torque converter because 253 gears with a 700 R4 and 28-inch tall tires. Well, we're cruising at about 1200 RPM. It's kind of crazy. This would be a wicked power to a car, that's for sure. Hardly used any fuel getting up here. Anyways, I'm bagged. I'm going to bed. Tomorrow we head to the car show. All right, here we go. We are off to go to the show. Hope the car starts. It should. Sitting on a hill, so it might be a bit weird, but let's see if it starts. All right, well, let's start. Like, awesome. Cool. No choke. There we go. Perfect. We got oil pressure, bolts. Let's go. All right, well, we made it. We're here. Sort of stuck back in the corner, but it is what it is. Now I gotta go register and yeah, let's go do a walk around. Well, there you go. We made it to the show. There's over 500 cars here at the show. It's hard for me to actually film because there's so many people too. Anyways, thanks to everybody that helped me out, pushed me along to get the car out here. It was awesome. I had a great time. It's fun finally having a car back on the road after so long. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe, smash the like, follow along with all my builds. Thanks very much and take care.